crypto, one of the most profitable businesses for many of our clients has been PPE, so personal protection equipment. So masks, gloves, and sanitizer, hand sanitizer, and stuff like that. So again, some people have been lucky enough to get in really early. So you've been selling on Amazon and Walmart and some of the those platforms, but things have become quite controlled right now, and that's another conversation. But if it is you're selling online into the US and you're selling your PPE, you're selling whatever physical product it is, be mindful that you may have to initiate some sort of what we call a nexus study, because people tend to think really quickly about your direct taxes. So you have your individual tax and you have your corporate tax for your company, but there are also indirect taxes. So what we call VAT in Europe or GST in Singapore is called sales and use taxes in the US. And by virtue of selling stuff online, you create what is called an economic nexus with certain jurisdictions, and you may be subject to sales and use taxes. So you need to speak to a professional. I know you do your quick Google and it says, well, the threshold is 200 units or $100,000. Not exactly. There are over 10,000 sales and use tax jurisdictions in the US. Each state is further subdivided into sales and use tax jurisdictions. So that is a good rule of thumb. I'm not knocking it. Your 200 units, $100,000, but bear in mind that some jurisdictions have a lower threshold, 100 units, $50,000. Some of them have a click-through nexus. If you're marketing to someone in their jurisdiction, even though the sales may be low, you may still be subject to taxes. So you're better off talking to a professional because remember, all states are strapped for cash right now because of the extra expenses. So they're not about to miss out on claiming money for online selling. So at some point you may be found out and you're going to have a whole world of hurt. So it's good, get advice up front, register if necessary, stay on the right side of the law. And furthermore, if you have more than an economic nexus, but you have a physical nexus in a state, for example, you house your product in a warehouse in a given state, that may lead to actual income tax liabilities as well. So forget sales and use tax. Yeah, that's a given. But you may actually be subject to income tax in that state income tax. So again, you're doing your PPE. I know things have been going amazingly well, but don't forget the tax consequences. Please seek advice.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming events are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.